Okay, so as you know, guys, I've been playing with lots of robots or things like this. I've shown this before, but I did not have this program on it, and this is well. Let me turn it on, and you tell me if you like it or not. There we go. It's powerful. This thing dances on the floor, and I added the sound sensor, and then I also had at one point in a Wi-Fi, and I'm sorry, a Bluetooth also hooked up, but I really wanted to show you this, that it can turn on a dime and doesn't skip a beat. And so you can see my video. I'm going to find the video and I'll put it below the original video when I was showing this off. And this basically, how would I say this? This is probably the simplest robot you can get on Amazon. I actually purchased a second one with these wheels, with these Mecanum wheels, and I put it together on this chassis that I got. I can't remember exactly with what, but it's pretty easy to put together. You don't need to have, like, I have 2 sets of batteries in here. I don't need really 2 sets, but at one point I decided that's what I'm going to do. And so that's what's in there right now. I'm just holding it together with one of these tacky things that you squeeze a little bit, work it a little bit, and then it becomes very sticky. And so the batteries, including the Arduino and including the sensor, they all hold together by this. So that way I can take it apart and do some other things with it. So let me put that over there. The other thing I wanted to remind you is that when you get this motor driver, basically that's how it drives. These 3 chips drive the motors, because these are just I call them dumb motors, and they do have a gearbox, and you cannot hook them directly to Arduino, because if you did, Arduino would go bakum. But they come and they don't have this part here populated. And so what I do is, before I use it, I take basically just headers like these, and then I count out. There's 6 of them per one of these each row, and then over here are 4. And what they are for is, the first one is 5 volts, the positive. Then there's a negative, which is the ground. And then, most importantly, this last row, which is closest to the outside, it has Arduino pin A0 through A5. And so there's 6 pins that you can use, and you put for instance, the sensor, the sound sensor, distance sensor, whatever you call it, is connected to the plus and the minus, and then on here it's connected to pins number, well, it'll be 0, 1, 2, and 3 in this case. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to put it over there and solder it later on, and that way I'll have it ready for other things that I can hook up to it. And so for a next project, I'll have it ready. Even if I don't use it, it just takes a couple minutes to solder it, and these headers are basically extremely inexpensive. So that's that. And otherwise than that, I don't have much more to say about this Mecanum Wheel CAR. but it is a lot of fun. And the next thing what I like to do is have a program that would maybe do the little rotation, then maybe it goes a little bit and goes into like a little, goes like, makes it like a square, and it goes back to spinning and so on and so forth. So that would be fun to do, and I hope that I'll make that video down the road. Well, you have a great day.